come with me. The other day, see Ramo and my IO. Very good. And the great commander. So I found there are things which are very clear and which you want to take really today. To take note of. This road was constructed by government of Uganda. From here, this stone, this is the no man's land. The quarter stops on that corner where the first vehicle stopped, where the tarmac. But it is not where the no man's land stops. No man's land stops like 200 meters after the corner. That's anything here is no man's land. Under the law of international border, I am not supposed to cross here. Nothing supposed to cross here. Nothing supposed to cross kilometer 0. South Sudan must also be having kilometer what? 0. No man's land is not a kilometer 0 in Uganda. It's not a kilometer 0 in South Sudan. It is there. But Afande, where this stone shows kilometer 0 from Uganda, at it where you found us from long ago is where this place has no water. It's a water stressed area and it has no network. You can check your phones, whether South Sudan or Uganda. You can check because we have both lines. Now, because of so many factors, water, electricity, so many things. From long ago, Apirit had a big attack. When Apirit had a big attack, when we got peace here from LRA, when the South Sudan fighting also stopped and South Sudan became a republic and a friendly one, our immigration and our URA, for convenience, decided to co-locate with UPDF. But if anything, the border should be here. Actually, Lamo district allocated 3 kilometers here, 3 kilometers here for border construction. It is minuted. Other district can bring that minute. Before he came, even when Osborne was here. But to the surprise of Andy, because today we wanted to finish part of the work of tomorrow. As you can see, kilometer 1 is 0 here. Unless they say those ones who constructed the road were not engineers, or they were stupid, or they did not have cartographers, or they did not have surveyors. As you see kilometer 0 here, you have seen the Spirit A detached 4 kilometers from here on the main road. At these other places, you can say this place was confusing. I don't know if it was behind this hill or behind another hill. But here, any fool with very low IQ can see that 4 kilometers on a main road, on a tarmac, from a single border, kilometer 0, 4 kilometers, South Sudan has. I found the biggest work of a commander is territorial integrity, to defend territory. But because for us we exercise so much restraint, we are so patient, we don't treat South Sudan as an enemy country. When these people came here, he knows. We come and talk to them, see what has brought you. But the problem is that our brother this side, even a lieutenant, even a sergeant, has powers over general. My counterpart, the division commander, stays in Juba. His counterpart, Loboy commissioner, is a very, I wish he was here and I tell him in front of him, he's a very, very negative man, and it should be minuted. What is Uganda? I don't know what Uganda did to him. Even today he refused to come. He called him. He can show you the governor. Luis is a very understanding man. He's a gentleman. But that commission of equities is the one bringing all the confusion. And on their side, commissioners command soldiers. Commissioners command soldiers. So that the church is there because commissioner told them to go there. 4 kilometers inside Uganda. So at that time, my family hosted the former CDF or SSPDF. And remember there are some resolutions we made between our CDF and their CDF, and we said that we give it a month for each one. If you are UPDF, you on the Sudan side, South Sudan side, you shift. If you are SPA, SSPDF, you shift. So I could not come and start fighting with these boys. I could not. They even fetch water. I think you met 2 motorcycles going to bring water for them from Wapiriki. We have been patient. We are breeding, and we are really thinking some things are not for force. Some things can be used, sort of using common sense. So I find I would